Hello, welcome to Alan's weekly blog. Oh, Jesus Christ, on. We're currently going up a job we're doing for the bird control team for Ames. It's very windy today, but we're at a school in Wolverhampton doing some bird control netting with Simon, who's operating the Access Mute. As you can see, we're doing a short video. But Simon, tell me what's going on today and what you're doing.
Well, basically, the school have had a big problem with pigeons. So what we're doing is installing
It's windy.
installing spikes and installing netting to stop the pigeons from getting into the chimney and obviously into the heating stroke electrical system downstairs. Got Martin down there cutting a net ready for it to be installed on the wall ledge. As you can see, all the wireframe has been put in, it's been installed, and the spikes on the leading edges all the way around. So obviously the pigeons won't be able to roost anymore.
Excellent, Simon. Thanks, mate. So Martin, give us a wave. It is really windy, and this is Ames blog, weekly blog, showing you the bird control team in action. We're in Wolverhampton, and please, Simon, get me out of here.